Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick sped up get ready with me. I have some errands to run and we're just gonna start it off. Y'all see I got my face wipes. I actually washed my face in the shower, but I'm just going over my face, cleaning my nose ring, my crevices in my nose, different things like that. I'm gonna get my L'Oreal collagen cream and put on my face because right now I'm just trying to use everything that I have that I've been using before I start a new skincare regimen. So I do have a new one coming up, so definitely stay tuned for that. After I get this all rubbed in, I am just going to get this mascara, Superhero by It. I got this as a birthday gift from Ulta. I'm just gonna get some of this on my lashes just so that I can have a base, you know, to attach my lashes that I'm going to put on a little later. So right now I'm just gonna do one quick coat. This mascara, it's bomb, y'all. Like one coat and it does this. Just imagine what 3 coats does. I'm just gonna get my spoolie off of my e.l.f. pencil, spoolie my brows, get my NYX pencil in dark brown or espresso. Gonna quickly fill in my brows because like I said, I am definitely very much on a time crunch, so I gotta do this quick. Just gonna spoolie these brows. Y'all, this is very important. Concealer, the cleanup is the next important thing, but definitely having that light hand, that light stroke of your pencil, and definitely spoolieing out those brows. So make sure you pay attention to that. And I'm sorry, y'all, I keep saying definitely. This is like a whisper of the moment voiceover. So yeah. Like I said, spoolie. Alright, so I'm going to get my Maybelline Fit Concealer in the shade Tan or 45. I'm going to just put a little bit on the back of my wrist. I always do that. And I'm going to let this pencil that I picked up from BH Cosmetics years ago in a compact. I'm going to get that straight brush and I'm going to clean up the brows. I find that I can clean up my brows much better when I use a fast, no thinking step process, so to speak. And I'm sorry I'm having to turn my face away from the camera, but y'all, I gotta see this in the mirror. I'm gonna get it together with the placement of my camera. Just bear with me, sticking out with your girl. I'm getting there, okay? All right, so I'm just gonna spoolie the brows a little bit more, get a little bit more concealer, and do the other brow. I know I talk a lot, but hey, it is what it is. So after that, like I said, I can do this no nonsense without thinking when I'm just quickly moving my brush, which is what I'm doing. And I'm gonna just hurry this along because I know no one really cares how long it takes me to do my brows. It's ridiculous. I'm such a perfectionist and then I still never get them perfect. If you want to just fast forward through the brows, go on ahead and click the next chapter and you can move on because I do the most sometimes. That gash is remembered from the accident I had when I was little. You probably know the story if you're an OG. There's a video somewhere explaining how that is a permanent part of my brow anatomy. Guys, if you're enjoying this voiceover on this video, you know, instead of just the music, thumbs up the video. Comment below something. It helps, you know. Alright, so now I'm just going to get my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. It's almost empty, but I'm just going to put a little bit of that on my actual eyelid. I find that my lids are oily, and putting that concealer on my lid helps me. No, I didn't put powder because I barely put concealer, but I'm just going to get this Too Faced Cinnamon Swirl Compact, do a couple of different shades. This is my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive in black. It has aloe in it. I love it. These are my Kiss lashes that I've had forever and a day. I'm just going to trim them a little bit, and I don't have to measure because I wear these all the time, so I know just about how much to cut off. So I'm just going to lightly put on the glue, and I'm just going to let it dry and get a little sticky or tacky, whichever you prefer to call it. And it only takes a little while for it to do that. I really like this lash glue. I really like these lashes, but I don't like the bands that are on these lashes. But I'm getting it. I'm getting it together. So I'm just going to get these attached really quickly. And I don't use any instruments or anything. I usually just use my fingers. And I usually use the actual container that the lash glue comes in. You see, I'm having a little difficulty. It wasn't as tacky as I should have had it, but hey, it is what it is. I made it work. Got them on there. Didn't stick my eye. None of that. So I'm just making sure that I have the lashes exactly how I want them placed. Skin any little residue of glue that may have dropped on my lash line. And okay, feels good, feels comfy. Got the other one on, no problem. I'm gonna get a little bit of that concealer and put it underneath my eyes. The bags, the discoloration under my eyes, it drives me nuts. So a lot of times I don't even put full makeup on, but I do try to make sure I get under the eyes. Yeah, they're bad. My sponge, I'm trying to get away from those, so I'm using brushes now. I realized I like the way that it looks a little better when my brushes are, you know, putting the foundation in. All right, so I got my MAC powder and dabbed underneath, and voila, I am finished. This is a day that I was actually heading out, so if you want to see the vlog, stay tuned over on the vlog channel. All right, guys, if you enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.